Welcome to this video. Video title is Transforming Your Backyard Innovation Outdoor Kitchen Build Idea. In recent years, the concept of outdoor living space have growing tremendous popularity among homeowners look to expand their living area beyond the confines of their home. One of the most explored trend in outdoor living in the outdoor kitchen far more than just a simple barbecue on the patio. Today, outdoor kitchen are full explored space than their indoor composed in team and functionally and space plan your outdoor kitchen before going into construction. Meticulous plan is carbon to your outdoor kitchen met your need and integrate seamless with out your outdoor living space layout and design. Functional zone divide your outdoor kitchen into zones such as pool, papers, area. This help streamline your workflow. Traffic flow. Consider how people will move throughout the space. Those appear room for moment to integrate integration and landscape. Build your kitchen design with the natural surrounding. Use material and color that complement your outdoor entertain location. Paramex to indoor kitchen. Keep your outdoor kitchen considering locate need your indoor kitchen to easy food popular and contraption shape and shift introducing functional like bungalow alone to provide shade and protection against the elements of any outdoor kitchen. One, your plan the outdoor food on select the elements that will make your outdoor kitchen functional and enjoyable. Cook, appear, pizza out, for pizza algorithm. A wood pizza out add a rustic charm and Vatican to your outdoor cook algorithm. Innovation functional to consider to elevate your outdoor kitchen for ordering. Consider incorporating innovate functional that add consider of style outdoor bring and center. Build in beer. Create a design area for max drink and sub guest complement with the sleep and is ICE make outdoor light, embrace light, illuminate your outdoor kitchen and dining area with set plan light, create a warm and invite atmosphere. After drying, task light install task light upper cook and paper and to enhance soft and affect cook popular fit functional fit pick and fireplace extend your outdoor kitchen usable into color month with a fire pick or fireplace a warm and embracing design style and theme. The aesthetic of your outdoor kitchen should complement your home architecture and your personal taste. Here are few popular design style to consider. Rustic charm. Natural stone use stone pairing for a rustic that blend seamless with nature. Wood aesthetic incorporating wood brick or cabin to add warmth and capturing to your outdoor kitchen. Modern minimalist. Other of minimalist design with clean line publish preface like sting or conclude central top main interest and centrability to enhance your outdoor kitchen. Remember indoor consider for use to come popular main interest and centrability, clean and care. Distinct main interest, clean cook, sub cabin and appear digesting build and build, clean, cover and protection, elute in, cover and appear and functional should theme for a element then not is used. Water management include rainwater hem set a tip for your outdoor gardening and survey water budget and protection management project management